Kim Goodman is a woman who is able to pop her eyes out of her eye sockets by 12 millimeters. She holds the world record for the farthest eyeball protrusion. This clock shows time in shadow based on the position of sun. Two Korean students made a raft out of potato chip bags to prove they have too much air in them. A soldier's face before and after 4 years of war, 1941 to 1945. In 1959, a coffee maker was an optional thing in Volkswagen car. All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but the attitude makes the difference. Black jaguars are the rarest animal on the planet. Don't scroll without a like. Sharks have survived for the big five mass extinction. This means they have been around longer than humanity, Mount Everest, dinosaur, and the trees. Education versus digitization. Try to get up from the seat after every 20 minutes for 20 seconds. Look after 20 feet away and blink your eyes 20 times. Between 23 to 36% of people never experience a headache in their entire life. Mumbai is home to 46,000 million years and 28 billion years. It is India's richest city with total wealth of $20 billion. Women are biologically attracted to guys taller than them because height is associated with the ability to protect and defend. In Denmark, if you are unmarried at 25, you will get cinnamon thrown all over you on your birthday. There is a sex school in Vienna, Austria. It includes practical as well. The evolution of a national flag. This is how much food you can get for the cost of a pack of cigarettes in Australia. This painting is called The First Moments in Heaven. A sea organ in Croatia continuously plays music powered by waves that flow through tubes located underneath a set of large marble steps. Only female mosquitoes bite humans and animals. Males are vegetarian. Stairs in Chennai Metro Station, India.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking
Golden sandals with toe caps from ancient Egypt.
staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new
With only 3% body fat, Helmut Stull at 47 is the most shredded man alive.
following the light that sets me free.
People who sleep on their stomach with their arms above their heads have more sexual dreams. The painful truth is a man is guilty until proven innocent, and a woman is always innocent until proven guilty. If you lived in complete darkness, your body would eventually adjust to a 48 hours day where you stay awake for 36 hours and sleep for 12. In other countries, the mafia makes witnesses disappear so they can't testify in court. In Colombia, Pablo Escobar made the whole Supreme Court of Colombia disappear. A Hong Kong gangster once kidnapped the son of a billionaire and extracted a $130 million ransom. The gangster called him several months later and asked for advice. 13% of the population are known as the sleepless elite, the group of people routinely gets 6 hours or less of sleep daily and remain totally functional. If you spend one day on each of the islands in Philippines, it would take you almost 21 years to visit them all. Quantum entanglement: when there's a long stuck in your mind and your sibling friend starts randomly singing same song. The image on the right is a giraffe head and on the left is an elephant head. But what if you flip your phone? This is an art of a Brian Lai. He draws in negatives. This is how rain looks like from an airplane. Israel new camouflage technology can make soldiers virtually invisible.